Hi everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to calculate rise and trades of staircase. Also, will create the staircase plan and sectional elevation. So please follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get all kinds of updates. Also, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all new videos. So let's get started. So these are the staircase rooms. Here dimension of staircase is 6 feet into 10 feet and another is 6 feet into, this is 6 feet into 10 feet, 2 feet 6 inch landing. Here building height is 10 feet 6 inch, length of staircase 10 feet, landing 2 feet and 6 inch and desired unit rise 6 inch. And here this is building height 10 feet 6 inch, length of staircase 8 feet 6 inch, landing 2 feet 6 inch and desired unit rise 7 inch. Rise we have to assume. So here 6 feet into 8 feet 6 inch, length of staircase 8 feet 6 inch, 2 feet 6 inch landing and building height 10 feet 6 inch. So first I will calculate rise and trades of staircase, then I will create the staircase plan and sectional elevation. So first I will calculate for this. So here the vertical line is rise and the horizontal line is trade. You can see this is the vertical line, this is rise and this is the horizontal line, this is trade. Vertical line is rise and horizontal line is trade. Building height is 10 feet and 6 inch, length of staircase 10 feet, landing 2 feet and 6 inch, desired unit rise 6 inch. We have to assume this is 6 inch. So first of all we have to calculate total trade. So total trade is staircase length minus landing. So from staircase length we have to deduct landing to get the total trade. So staircase length is 10 feet. This is 10 feet minus landing 2 feet and 6 inch. So we are getting total trade 7 feet and 6 inch. Next, so this is total trade 7 feet and 6 inch. Next we need to calculate number of rise. So number of rise is height of building divided by desired rise. So height of building is 10 feet and height of building 10 feet and 6 inch divided by desired unit rise 6 inch. So we are getting 21 numbers of rise. So total trade we got 7 feet 6 inch, number of rise 21 numbers. Now we have to calculate number of trade. So number of trade, number of rise minus 1. So number 21 numbers minus 1, that is 20 numbers. So why we deduct 1 here? This is 20 numbers, 21 minus 1. So why we deduct 1? So in this image, in this drawing you can see this horizontal lines are trade 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers of trades, but rise you can see 5 numbers of rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers of rises and trades 4 numbers. So last trade, that is coming with the roof slab. So to get the number of trade we need to deduct 1 from number of rise. So number of trade is number of rise minus 1. So here 21 numbers of rise minus 1, that is 20 numbers of trades. So number of trade for one flight we need to calculate now, that is 20 by 2. We have 2 flights, so 20 by 2, that is 10 numbers in one flight. Now number of rise for one flight, number of rise divided by 2. Number of rise is 21 numbers. So one flight 11 numbers and next flight 10 numbers. Here rise is 21 numbers, so in one flight 11 numbers and another 10 numbers, total 21 numbers. First flight 11 numbers and second flight 10 numbers. Now length of one thread, that is total thread divided by number of thread. So total thread is 7 feet 6 inch. We have already calculated. This is 7 feet 6 inch divided by number of thread 10 numbers. This is, here we have calculated 10 numbers. So we get 9 inch. Length of one thread 9 inch. So we have calculated all length of one thread 9 inch. Total thread 7 feet 6 inch. Number of rise 21 numbers. Number of thread 20 numbers. Number of thread for one flight 10 numbers. Number of rise for one flight. In one flight 11 numbers and in next flight 10 numbers. And length of one thread 9 inch. So these are the calculations. So in next drawing, building height 10 feet and 6 inch, length of staircase 8 feet and 6 inch, landing, this is building height 10 feet and 6 inch, length of staircase 8 feet and 6 inch, landing 2 feet and 6 inch, desired unit rise 7 inch here I will assume. So total thread, staircase length minus landing. So we have to deduct landing from staircase length. So staircase length 8 feet 6 inch minus landing is 2 feet and 6 inch. So we are getting 6 feet. Total thread 6 feet. Now number of rise, height of building. Number of rise we need to calculate, that is height of building divided by desired unit rise, that is height of building is 10 feet and 6 inch divided by desired rise 7 inch. So we are getting 18 numbers of rise. Next we need to calculate total thread 6 feet, number of rise 18 numbers. So next we have to calculate number of thread. So number of thread, number of rise minus 1, that is 18 numbers minus 1. 18 minus 1, 17 numbers thread. Now 17 number of thread we got. Now number of thread for one flight 17 divided by 2. So in one flight 8 numbers and in next flight 9 numbers. Here number of threads are not same. So in both flights, so in this case we will find out number of thread from number of rise for one flight. So number of thread in one flight 8 numbers, in another flight 9 numbers. Now number of rise for one flight, number of rise divided by 2, that is 18 by 2, that is 9 numbers. Number of rise for one flight 9 numbers. So next length of one thread will be total thread divided by number of thread. So total thread is 6 feet divided by number of thread 8. We have calculated this. In one flight I will take 8. So we are getting length of one thread 9 inch. Now number of rise for one flight will be number of rise divided by 2. So number of rise is 18 divided by 2, that is 9 numbers. Number of rise for one flight, it will be 9 numbers. 18 by 2, 9 numbers. Next, number of rise for one flight 9 numbers. Number of thread for one flight will be number of rise for one flight minus 1. So number of rise for one flight 9 minus 1, that is 8 numbers. Number of rise for one flight 9 numbers and number of thread for one flight 8 numbers. So we are getting all number of threads rise for all flight, each flight. So one flight 8 number, one flight 9 number, number of rise for one flight 9 numbers, number of rise for one flight 9 numbers, number of thread for one flight 8 numbers, number of thread, total number of thread 17 numbers, total number of rise 18 numbers. Number of thread for one flight 17 by 2, that is in one flight 8 numbers, in next flight 9 numbers. Number of rise for one flight 9 numbers, length for one thread 9 inch, number of rise for one flight 9 numbers, number of thread for one flight 8 numbers. So we are getting all threads and rise. Now if you want to take screenshot of this, you can take the screenshot here. Now this is the, here I will create the staircase plan first. So these are all we have calculated. Now I will copy this. I will move and paste it here. Paste it here. And this is for next staircase, and I will move and paste it here. So now we have calculated this. Number of rise 21 numbers, number of thread 20 numbers, number of thread for one flight 10 numbers, number of rise for one flight, in first flight 11 numbers and next flight 10 numbers, length of one thread 9 inch, total thread will be 7 feet and 6 inch. So here building height 10 feet and 6 inch, length of staircase 8 feet and 6 inch, landing 2 feet and 6 inch, desired unit rise 7 inch, number of rise 18 numbers, number of thread 17 numbers, number of thread for one flight 8 numbers, number of rise for one flight 9 numbers, length of one thread 9 inch and total thread 6 feet. So now I will draw the staircase plan first. So here length of staircase 10 feet. So I'll give offset command. Give offset. Length of staircase 10 feet. Give offset. Give offset distance 10 feet. Select this line and click here. So next landing is 2 feet and 6 inch. Again give offset. This is 2 feet and 6 inch landing. So give offset. Give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Select this line and click here. So this is here to here. This is total thread. So total thread is 7 feet and 6 inch. You can see here. This is total thread 7 feet and 6 inch. So we got the total thread. This is 7 feet and 6 inch. Now we have two flights and desired unit rise 6 inch. So in plan we can see the threads only. First I will divide it into two parts because we have two flights. So draw a line on midpoint. Take line command. L enter. Specify here. This is the line. Now give offset. Offset distance 1 inch to both sides. Select, click to this side. Select, click to this side. Now delete the middle line and trim. Trim this line. Also trim this line. Now I'll create thread. So these are two flights. Now this rise is 6 inch and thread length of one thread 9 inch. So here we can see only thread. So give offset. Give offset distance 9 inch. Now select and click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers of threads. So see, number of thread for one flight 10 numbers. 10 numbers. And this side also 10 numbers. So I will simply mirror this. Select mirror. This is the midpoint and press enter. Delete this. So this is the staircase. This side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 20 numbers of threads. Number of total thread 20 numbers and in one flight 10 numbers. This is the staircase plan I have created. Now I'll create the section. So total thread 7 feet 6 inch. Here I will check this here to here. This is total thread 7 feet and 6 inch. Landing 2 feet and 6 inch. Here to here this is landing 2 feet and 6 inch. Length of one thread 9 inch. See, here to here this is 9 inch. All threads are same. Length of one thread 9 inch. This side also, this is staircase length 10 feet. So we have created the staircase plan. Now I will create the sectional elevation. Number of thread for one flight 10 numbers, total thread 20 numbers. So for sectional elevation, I will draw a line. I'll take section line here. Now again I'll take line command. Draw a line. So this is the finished floor level. I'll copy this text. This is finished floor level. So first come to this plan. Now I'll take construction line from here. Excel, enter. I need vertical lines here. Here we can see, as this is sectional elevation, so we can see the thickness here. So take vertical lines. Click here, click here. Now this side, click here and click here. We can see these two walls here. Now change the layer to wall layer. Now I'll trim the extra lines. So give trim command, tr, enter. Now specify this line, press enter and trim this. So now I'll provide building height, that is 10 feet and 6 inch from finished floor level. Give offset distance 10 feet and 6 inch. Building height. Go to grid setting, object snap and okay. Now offset distance 10 feet and 6 inch. (10 feet 6 inch). Select this line and click on upward direction. Now roof slab, that is, first I'll trim this. Now roof slab I need to provide, that is 4 inch. So give offset distance 4 inch. Select this line, click to downward direction. Now trim all the extra lines. This is the roof slab. So here to finished floor level, that is 10 feet and 6 inch. This is the building height. Building height is 10 feet and 6 inch. Now I'll create the staircase sectional elevation. So first I'll extend all these lines to this line. So EX, enter, select this line. Now extend all these lines. So I'll start from here. So these are the threads. We will start from here. So rise is 6 inch and thread 9 inch. 20 number of rise 21 numbers, number of thread 20 numbers. Thread for one flight 10 numbers, number of rise for one flight. In first flight 11 numbers and second flight 10 numbers. And desired unit rise 6 inch. So I'll start from here. So I'll take polyline. So first point, click here, 6 inch, rise, thread 9 inch, again 6 inch, make ortho on, 6 inch, 9 inch, 6 inch, 9 inch, 6 inch, 9 inch, 6 inch, 9 inch, again 6, 9, 6 inch, again 9 inch, 6 inch is rise, 9 inches thread, 9 inch, 6 inch, 9 inch, 6 inch, and this is the 9 inch last thread. So last thread you can see. So after this again 6 inch, and this is the landing. Click here. This is the landing. So you can see all are coming correctly, or threads and rises. Now this is the first flight, and I'll trim all these extra lines. Trim this. So we have created the first flight. So we need to create the second flight. So for this I will simply mirror this. So select mirror, MI enter, specify first point here and click. So this is the second flight. So we need to trim from here. Trim, TR enter, and trim these two lines, also this line. Trim this. This is the staircase. Now trim this line from here and delete this line. Now you can see number of rise 21 numbers, number of thread 20 numbers. Let's check. First, number of rise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. First flight 11 numbers. You can see first flight 11 numbers, second flight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Second flight 10 numbers. Total 21 numbers of risers. 21 numbers of riser. First flight 11 numbers and in second flight 10 numbers. Now thread. Number of thread 20 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is first flight. In second flight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last thread is coming with the roof slab. You can see here. I will show you in the plan here to here. You can see. So the last thread is coming in the roof slab. You can see the projection line coming here from the roof slab. Last thread is coming with the roof slab. So total number of thread 20 numbers. In first flight 10 numbers of threads, second flight 10 numbers of threads. 10 on this side, 9, 10. So riser in first flight 11 numbers and in second flight 10 numbers. And thread in first flight 10 numbers, second flight also 10 numbers. Delete these two lines. Now draw a line here, here to here. Again another line from this point to this point. Now give offset distance 4 inch. Select, click to this side, select, click to this side. Again select, click to this side. Now trim this line from here and delete this. Now I'll use fillet command here. Fillet this line to this line and again fillet this line to this line and delete all the extra lines. First I'll trim this line here. Also extend, select this line, extend this line. Now trim all these extra lines. This line and this line. Delete these two lines and trim this line. So this is the staircase. Staircase railing here I am not providing. In my previous video, I have already provided the staircase railing. Please go through the video. So this is the staircase sectional elevation and plan. It's the plan. So and section. Next I will create here. So length of staircase 8 feet and 6 inch. So give offset distance 8 feet and 6 inch. 6 inch. Select this line and click here. Now landing is 2 feet and 6 inch. Again give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. 2 feet and 6 inch landing. 2 feet and 6 inch. Select this line, click here. So here to here, this is the total tread, that is 6 feet. So first we need to create 2 flights. Here we have 2 flights. We need to create 2 flights. So desired unit rise 7 inch and length of one tread 9 inch. Number of rise for one flight 9 numbers. Number of tread for one flight 8 numbers. Length of one tread 9 inch. So total tread we have created 6 feet, landing 2 feet and 6 inch. Now draw a line on midpoint here to here. Now give offset of 1 inch to both sides, 1 inch. Select, click to this side, select, click to this side. Now delete the middle line. Now trim all the extra lines. Trim this line, also trim this line. So these two flights I have created. Now give offset distance 9 inch, tread. So select, click 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers of treads. Number of treads for one flight 8 numbers. Now this flight also 8 numbers. So I will simply mirror this. Mirror, make ortho on, press enter. Delete this. So this is the staircase 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now total number of tread 17 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total number of tread here 16 numbers, but we have total number of tread 17 numbers. So what we need to do? Number of tread for one flight 8 numbers. Number of rise for one flight 9 numbers. So here we need to provide another tread in next flight. See, number of tread for one flight 17 by 2. So one flight 8 numbers and next flight 9 numbers of treads we need to provide. Total 17 numbers of treads. So here we need to provide one more tread here in second flight. So give offset distance 9 inch. Select, click here and extend this line. Yes, enter. Select this line and extend this line to this line. So we have created 8 numbers of treads in first flight. 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers of treads in next flight. Total 17 numbers of treads we have created. So this is the staircase plan. So I'll draw the section line here. This is the section line. I'll create the sectional elevation. So take line command again. Here to here. This is the finished floor level. Copy this text. So take construction line, Excel, enter V for vertical line. We can see the thickness of this wall, these two walls. Now trim. Select this line and trim these two walls from here. Now I'll create the roof slab, that is 10 feet and 6 inch from finished floor level. 10 feet and 6 inch. Finished floor level, select, click here. Now roof slab thickness 4 inch. Again offset distance 4 inch. Select this line and click on downward direction. Now trim all these extra lines. trim these two lines, also these two lines. So this is the roof slab, and building height here to here, this is 10 feet and 6 inch, and this is the finished floor level. Now I will start the staircase sectional elevation. So take construction line from here to here. So this is a tread. So I'll start from here. You can extend all these lines, or you can do simply polylines. So a 7 inch desired unit rise and length of one tread 9 inch. 7 inch, 9 inch tread, 7 inch rise, make ortho on 9 inch tread, 7 inch rise, 9 inch tread, 7, 9, 7, 9, 7 inch rise, 9 inch tread, 7, 9, 7 and 9. So this is the last tread. So again 7, and this is the landing. And trim this extra line. Also we have created the first flight, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers of treads. Now I'll simply mirror this. Mirror. Now delete these two lines. And the next tread is here. Trim this slab. If you want to check, you can extend all these lines and you can check. See? You can create by extending all these lines also. So undo this. Now I'll trim this roof slab from here. Trim these two lines. So this tread, the last tread here, is coming with the roof slab. You can see this is coming with the roof slab. And delete this line. So this is the staircase sectional elevation. Number of rise 18 numbers, number of tread 17 numbers. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Number of rise 18 numbers, number of tread 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. This is the last tread coming with the roof slab. Total number of tread 17 numbers, total number of rise 18 numbers. So now take line command here to here and here to here. Now give offset distance 4 inch. Select, click to this side, select, click to this side and select. Trim this line and delete this. Again offset, select, click to this side. Delete these two lines. I'll fillet this, fillet here to here and fillet here to here. Now trim this line, also extend this line. So this is the staircase sectional elevation. Delete this line, here also delete this line, and this is total tread 6 feet. You can see 6 feet. Here total tread is 7 feet and 6 inch. So like this you can calculate number of rise in treads, and you can create the staircase plan and sectional elevation. I will trim. You should trim all these extra lines. Here also trim this line and trim this line. So this is the staircase plan and sectional elevation. So hope you find this video helpful, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.